Real talk, mamas. When you are dropping hundreds of bucks on baby gear, you want to know it actually works. We all know that packing for a vacation means hauling diapers, checking strollers, and praying you make it through the TSA without a complete meltdown. So when it comes to packing your breast pump, do you really need the most expensive one on the market, or is it just a massive flex? Today, we are going to spill the tea on the highest end, most bougie breast pumps out there, and answer the ultimate question: are they actually better? Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your ultimate guide to luxury travel and motherhood. If you are exclusively pumping or just trying to keep your supply up while logging some serious miles, you know that being tied to a wall outlet in an airport bathroom is definitely not the vibe. Let's break down the 3 most expensive travel-friendly breast pumps that promise absolute freedom, and see if they are worth the hype. First up is the absolute pioneer of luxury pumping, the Elvie. Retailing for around $550, this double electric wearable is the definition of a sleek, modern aesthetic. It slips right into your nursing bra, connects seamlessly to a smart app, and is virtually silent. You can literally be pumping ounces of liquid gold in a crowded first-class cabin and the person next to you would have absolutely no idea. If you want something that drops right into your designer tote without any messy tubes to untangle, the Elvie is a total game changer. Next, we have to talk about the Willow 360. This is the ultimate gravity-defying pump, coming in at nearly $350. The real magic of the Willow is that it is 100% leak-proof. You can pump while bending over to grab dropped pacifiers, stretching out in your airplane seat, or even doing a quick yoga session in your hotel room. It pumps directly into spill-proof bags that you can toss straight into your travel cooler. The suction is incredibly strong, so there is a slight learning curve, but for the mom who cannot sit still on vacation, this pump is basically magic. Finally, let's look at the new kid on the luxury block, the Eufy S1 Pro. This wearable pump pushes the $500 mark, and it brings some serious heat. Literally. It features built-in warming technology to help with your letdown and comfort while you pump. Plus, it comes with a stunning wireless charging case that gives you up to 5 days of battery life. Imagine going on a long weekend trip to Cabo and never even having to look for a plug. That is top-tier luxury right there. So, are these super expensive pumps actually better? Here is the honest truth. If you are a stay-at-home mom who doesn't mind being tethered to a wall, a standard insurance-provided pump will get the job done just fine. But if you are a mom on the move, balancing corporate trips, luxury vacations, and long flights, the freedom these high-end wearables give you is absolutely priceless. They buy you time, mobility, and a whole lot of sanity. If you are ready to upgrade your travel pumping game, let us know which of these bougie pumps caught your eye down in the comments. Do not forget to hit subscribe for more luxury travel hacks, high-end baby gear reviews, and tips on living your best life with little ones in tow. Safe travels, mamas, and we will catch you in the next one.